Well, hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you my fidget spinner wallpaper. It's so amazing. Whenever I move my device, the fidget spinner moves. Look, I'm gonna spin my Look, my recording app moves with this. Every time you move an app, the fidget spinner spins. Every time you move an app, the fidget spinner spins. I know, right? It's so cool. This is what it looks like whenever it spins. Awesome, right? Oh my god. Guys, this is so cool. Oh my god. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, I don't want copyright. Oh my god, guys, but look, it's so amazing. Guys, download CM Launcher 3D today. Guys, it's so cool. Like, just get an app, and boom. Guys, this is so cool. It's so cool. Guys, I recommend getting a fidget spinner wallpaper. Like mine. Mine's like on the bottom, but I'll probably change it, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.